Hello, my name is Liza, and I'm very excited to share with you how I created my little Easter Peep with Easter truck decor piece. I was gifted a few of the Christmas trucks from one of my subscribers, and I thought I'd put them to good use. So when I saw these headbands from DollarTree, I just knew that I needed to make a two-sided something because those bunny tails and those faces are so cute. So what you're going to need from DollarTree is one of the headbands, a truck if you're lucky enough to find one or still have one in your stash. You'll also need a few Jenga blocks. And then these really cute felt carrot stickers. And these two small miniature carrots I had in my stash from Michael's last year. The first thing I did was I took my bunny off of the headband. And then don't do what Liza did. Don't try to get the wire off of the bunny using a heat gun thinking the glue will melt. Because what you're going to do is melt whatever this material is it's made out of. Luckily, there are two bunnies, so I used the second bunny and I just cut the wire off the bunny. Next, I took some Jenga blocks and I created my frame. So I made, with wood glue, I put together 2 sets of 2 and 2 sets of 3 of the blocks, and while they were drying, I took apart my truck. I discarded the Merry Christmas sign and the tree. We won't be using those. Next thing I did was I tried to get that god-awful glitter off with some sandpaper. And once it was sufficient, I found some cardstock that I was going to use, and I just traced the wheel section onto the paper on the reverse side. Once my wood glue was done, I created a rectangle with more wood glue. And then I decided I also wanted to put it on a stand. So I got 6 more of the Jenga blocks and I glued 3 together in 2 rows and I glued those together. Once everything was dry, I had some moss chalk paint and I gave it a quick coat of paint. Once the paint was dry, I got 2 eye hooks. I screwed one into the top of the frame and one into the bottom of the frame because this is how we're going to attach our bunny. I took some fishing line and a tapestry needle because it has a large hole, and I fed the fishing line from the top of the bunny to the bottom of the bunny. So here you can see it's coming out of the between the 2 pieces. Once it was done, I tied it into my eye hooks, and now it's a spinning bunny. I also attached my base at this time also with more wood glue. What I didn't show you was how I put my truck together. I just put it all together. I used hole punch to make my wheels. And then I took my stickers off of the felt carrots, and I'm saving those stickers because they are still good. And I glued them onto the frame as sort of 2 columns, and my truck was done. Here's the back. I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.